Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you all about this AI tool called Perplexity. So basically, this tool is AI powered answer engine that is basically a research and answer engine, and it provides accurate, trusted, and real-time answers to any question. So simply click on this website link here. Here the website is opening in front of us. Now you can download this app from your app store, but I'm here simply clicking on go with the website. Now here you can see that how this website looks like. Now here you can see the home page, you can see the discover space and library options here. Here we are on the home page, and for using this you have to create an account. For that, simply click on this sign in option here. Here you can also continue with Google, and you can also provide your email here. I'm choosing Google here. Now they have sent us a verification code on our email. Simply go to your email and click on it. Now we have created our account successfully. Simply you can ask anything to it. Now let's research anything here. Now for example, if we research here what is AI, and simply research that. Now here you can see that this tool has answered us that what is AI, and here you can see that this tool has tell us that what is AI and provided us all the information about this AI tool here. Now here you can see the websites here. The most famous is Wikipedia. You can see the Wikipedia website here. Simply you can see all the information about this AI tool. Now these websites on the top are the sources from which this Perplexity AI has gathered the information. Here you can see all about this app, and here you can also see the images. Now here you can see the options images, and you can see all the images about this AI, and in video they have also provided you the videos and the images. Now if we research here what is the latest artificial intelligent model, let's see. Here you can see the information that this AI tool has provided us. You can see all the information, and here you can see the sources from which this AI tool has gathered the information. And again, these all tools are really trustable. Here you can see that news Microsoft. This is really a trustable and the greatest website we have. And simply if we talk about more options here, like if I talk about this option here if I click on these three dots, and then you can see the options here, view sources, report and delete. If we view the sources here you can see all the sources from which this AI tool has gathered information. You can see all the sources here, like if you don't want to gather information from any of these source, like if I don't want to get information from this source, you can simply remove that source here, and then again you can gather the data about your answer without that website or the source that you have removed. Now here you can see the more options. If I click on this browser option here you can see that they also provide us the academic answers and the social opinions. You can have that. Now here I'm researching for academic, and now in auto if we research deep research, now if we click on this deep reasoning, now in auto if we click on this reasoning with R1 or deep research, you can choose that. Now let's suppose if you are a medical student and you want to research about any topic, like if I want to research about, now if you talk about how you can transplant animal heart in humans. Okay, let's go. Now here you can see that this process is taking a lot of time, and they are finding deeper and more accurate information for us. And here you can see that they are providing us the latest information. As you can see that the heart procedure mechanism 2025, this is the latest mechanism they are providing us. And if you are a medical student and looking for any research project, then this AI tool is for you. Talk about Google provide us websites with different links. For opening each website you have to open a new tab and you have to look through the website. That take a lot of time. But now here in Perplexity you can simply find all the information by just telling this AI tool what you need. Now if I post this, because this is maybe enough, here you can see that They have provided us the review article on pig heart transplant and all of that things. And here, by choosing this academic option here, you can also write here any your physics or chemistry or math numerical, and you can solve that from here. Now if I choose all these three sources and then I search here, like here you can choose any from these options here. Like if I choose here iPhone 17 design, maybe now here you can see that the thing that they are providing us, and you can see all the information here. And here you can also see the sources, and they have also provided us 17 plus sources here. And you can see that these sources are really reliable and trustable sources. So you can see that all here. If we go to discover, now we have come to discover. Now in discover you can see the latest news that are happening, just like the Google Discover. You can see different things in the Google Discover. Similarly, you can see different things here. If we talk about the top one, like what is the more trending and the market, you can see all that. And here you can also see about NASA. And if you talk about tech and science thing, you can see what's happening new in science. And here you can also see about finance, and you can see about culture and art, and you can see about sport and entertainment. Perplexity is basically a greatest competitor of Google. Now if you talk about the space option here you can also create space. Now if I teach you how you can create spaces here, come to your home page. Now research here. Now I have researched here about Nokia. Now you can create space here by clicking on the three dots on the top, and then by clicking on the add to space option here. Now here write the title Nokia, and you can also add a descriptions here if you want to. And you can also add an emoji here by simply clicking on the emoji option here. Now let's talk about Nokia. If they have that, they don't have that like mobile or something, and that's just simply put in the mobile here. And here you can also write any custom instructions, then click on continue. Now you can see that this has been created to our space. Simply now open the space. Here you can see the option space here. Here you can also swipe the space. You can remove that, you can delete that thread. Now if I go to library, in library you can see all your history about all the things that you have researched before. Now if I compare here Perplexity with ChatGPT and Google, what are the latest advancements in artificial intelligence as of 2025? Here I'm asking this question from Perplexity. Now here you can see the answer that Perplexity is providing us. Here on the top you can see the resources that Perplexity has used. You can see all the resources here, and you can see the answer: AI agent, generative AI, agentic AI, and all that. Here you can see the answer that Perplexity has provided us. Now we're gonna ask the same question from Google to compare the answer. So here I have opened Google in the tab. You can see here Google. Here I am pasting the same question that we have asked Perplexity. Now wait and see the result that Google has provided us. Here you can see the answer. Here you can see agentic AI. But here the answer that Perplexity has provided us was much better than Google. In Google you have to open different websites to see the answer. But in Perplexity you can find all the answer in one page. Here I'm pasting the same question in ChatGPT to compare the answers. Here I have pasted the question. Now I'm asking the same question to ChatGPT. Here you can see the answer that ChatGPT has provided us. It has provided us the advanced AI model and agents. Here you can see that it has provided us DeepSeek R1 and Grok 3 and all that. Here the answer that ChatGPT has provided us were, I think, more advanced than even Perplexity, where you can see more advanced things. And in the end you can also see the resources that this ChatGPT has used for providing us the answer. Now here you can yourself see which app is more better, Perplexity, Google, or ChatGPT. And that was all about the Perplexity AI. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.